Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, today the topic which we will discuss is hydraulics. First of all, we will define what is actually hydraulics, and later on we will understand with the help of some example to make some concept about the hydraulic. As you can clearly see, the topic name is hydraulic, and we can define this hydraulic as the branch of science, means the physics which deal with the transmission of fluid pressure through vessel as a source of mechanical force, that is called hydraulics. Now dear student, there are some terminology used in this definition. First of all, we will have some concept about these terminologies to understand that definition. For example, we use a fluid, similarly fluid pressure. So to understand this definition, first of all we will define fluid. Fluid can be defined as anything which can flow, mean liquid or gases, they are able to flow, so we call them as fluid. Similarly, the fluid pressure, or you can say a hydraulic pressure, can be defined as the force exerted by fluid on a unit area anywhere on the surface within the container. To understand the definition, let's take an example of the glass having some water. The water will exert force on the wall of the glass as well as on the bottom of the glass, so we call that hydraulic pressure of the liquid. Similarly, to understand that definition, hydraulic pressure or fluid pressure, we must have a concept about the Pascal principle. Pascal principle can explain the hydraulic pressure. The statement of the Pascal principle is: pressure applied on a liquid in a closed container is transferred equally in all directions throughout the liquid. Mean, if you have a liquid inside a container, then if you apply a force on that liquid, a pressure will generate which will cause force on the wall of the container, and that force will be equally distributed on all sides of the container. Mean, the pressure will be distributed equally in all the direction of the container. To understand that Pascal principle, let's take an example of the bottle. Dear cadets, it's an activity mentioned in your textbook with the help of which we can understand the Pascal principle. Take a plastic bottle, make some few holes at the bottom with the help of nail, but they must have some height from the bottom and they must have same height from the bottom. Third, close all these holes with the scotch tape. Fill the plastic bottle with the water, and last but not the least, quickly remove that scotch tape from these holes. You will observe the water is coming out of this hole and they have all the same pressure. So it means the liquid contained in this container, mean in this bottle, have a pressure at the wall of the bottle as well as at the bottom, and you can clearly see that the height of these holes are same, and you can see that the water emerging out of these holes have same pressure. So Pascal principle states that if we have a water or a liquid in a container, then the pressure exerted by the liquid will be equally distributed in all directions. So this is proof that the pressure exerted within the closed container is equally distributed. Thank you. Jazakumullah.